Hey there, YouTube. I shot this video yesterday, which was Friday, May the 17th, 2019, about 10 or so in the morning. And this is with the GoPro Karma. I just wanted to do a quick little reveal shot there, so hopefully you like that one. Here I set up an orbit and, of course, did the orbit around this church here. This is in Westcliffe, Colorado. I was going to do a comparison, actually, of this and the Karma and the Anafi, and the winds were about 20 plus miles an hour yesterday, gusting about 25. So I did the Karma first, and as you're looking at this orbit here, I'm just about behind this church, that it's perfectly fine. I mean, it did this great. I tried the Anafi second, and the wind just beat it to pieces. I've flown it in high winds before, but that was down in Texas. I think it's where the wind comes in just one direction. Here, because of all being surrounded by mountains, I think the wind was coming in multiple directions, and just the poor Anafi didn't have a chance. So I took it up, not even to the height of that cross there, and it was just literally being beat to death. So I just brought it back down, landed it. So I just wanted to show you this Karma video. Now this is nothing here but the return to home. Once I completed those two little tasks, I just hit return home, and this is what you're seeing here. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video, enjoyed the surroundings. You see the mountains and the buildings and everything, how green it is, which is very nice this time of year. We just had a snowstorm last week, actually, so that's gone. But hopefully if you like this one, you'll give it a thumbs up and share it and all that good stuff, and hope to bring you some more content later on. I'll try the same test based on the Anafi as the clouds clear up, and I can make a better video. So I again hope you like this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day, and leave me a comment, thumbs up, all that good stuff. See you later.